Hey guys, Ravi here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to share with you JavaScript roadmap 2022. And if you are a beginner and you have just started to learn JavaScript, then you can just follow this roadmap in 2022. And it will not take much time to learn JavaScript. In a 1 month you can complete all the topics of JavaScript, and you can follow this roadmap. If you already know the basic of JavaScript, then you can skip some of the part of this video and you can move to the other topics. So without wasting your time, let's start the topic. So you can start from the basic of JavaScript, like what is JavaScript engine, what is the interpreter, what is a JIT compiler, execution context, stack and heap, how JavaScript code is executed, and what is the V8 engine. Okay, so this is a really basic thing of JavaScript, from where you can start learning the JavaScript. A part of it you will learn about the parser, what is the abstract syntax tree, how the code is interpreted and compiled, then converted into the machine code. So everything related with JavaScript engine you can cover in this section. After that you can move to the next topic, how you can run your JavaScript code. So either you can run your JavaScript code in the browser console, or you can write a .html file and then you can use script tag, and inside the script tag you can write your JavaScript code and you can test them. Or you can make a separate JavaScript file and you can import that one into the HTML file, or then you can use that one also. If you are running Node.js, then you can run your JavaScript code on the Node side also. After that you can move to the next topic on the variable scope and hosting. So the important topics is starting from this point of the JavaScript. So you should know about the variables, like how we can declare the variable in the JavaScript, like where, let, const, about the scopes, global scope, function scope, block scope, and the lexical scope. You should know about the hosting. So these are the really basic and important topic of the JavaScript. The next topic is the primitive data types. So we know in JavaScript we have the primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types, we have the 7 type of primitive data types: undefined, null, big int, symbol, number, string and boolean. And you should know about the big int and the symbol, why we are using those primitive data types. Okay, after that you can move to the non-primitive data types, which is object, array and data. So you should know about the object array. This is really important, and also the data is also important. So the next topic is the data structure, where you can learn set, weak set, map and weak map. A part of it you can learn about the linked list also, and other data structure in JavaScript, but this is the basics. After that you should know about the explicit and implicit functions, and the equality operators like loose equality and the strict equality operators. Actually at this point we should have the double equal. Now the next topic is the loops. I think you already know the while and do while or for loop, but in JavaScript we have for in and for off. So this is really important. After that you can move to the control flow, if else, switch, try catch and the throw, and finally. Now the next topic is the expression and operators. So this is also basic topics, like assignment operator, arithmetical operator, bitwise comma operator, conditional comparison operator, and these are the important operator, the unary, string and relational operators. Moving to the next topic is function. So in JavaScript, the function is a one topic in any interview. Like most of the questions are based on these functions only: function declaration, function expression, the different type of functions we have in JavaScript, like a first class function, iterator function, arrow function, regular function. So most of the questions are based on the function topic, so you can cover those topics in deep. So moving to the advanced topic of JavaScript, closures is one of the important topic in JavaScript, where you can cover the nested function, the lexical scope, currying and immediate invoking function, every interview most of the questions are based on the closures. So moving to the next topic, you should know about the implicit binding and explicit binding, and the lexical and default binding type. The behavior of this is different in a regular function and the arrow function, so you should know about the behavior of this also. So moving to the next topic, prototypes. So in JavaScript we have the prototypal inheritance, a part of the class inheritance. So you should cover this one. Then you can move to the iterator and generator function. So you will cover this event loop in that JavaScript engine topic. Now moving to the asynchronous part. So here you can learn about the set timeout, set interval, callback, promises, and async await. So here you should know about the callback health, promise chaining, and then you can move to the async and await. What is the use and what is the benefit of the promises and async await. After covering all the important topics, now you can move to the one of the advanced topic, module systems. Here you should know about the CommonJS, UMD, AMD, and EGS. What is the difference between those, and the default and named import and export, how you're exporting the modules and how you're importing those modules into the other files and components. The second last topic is the web API, where you can learn about the DOM, document object model, and the browser object model, and then fetch APIs, how the fetch API is working, storage, about the storage like local storage and the session storage you should know about. In the last you can cover the tools and formatters like ESLint. This is by mistake I have put the link, but you can learn about the ESLint, then the prettier formatters, and the webpack, and the TypeScript, how you can use the TypeScript, what is the TypeScript and how it is different from the JavaScript. So these are the topics you can cover. If you follow this roadmap, you will cover most of the topic in a 1 month. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment, and share this video with your friend circle and in social media websites, so it will be helpful for others also. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks. Bye.